So someone moves to New York, or somebody wants to move to New York and wants to play shows or become a successful musician like yourself. What's one thing that you'd recommend that they do?
Network. I mean, you have to get out there. You have to make yourself known. You have to make yourself known. I mean, it was a little different for me because, I was fortunate because going back to my Berklee days, man, the people, that group of people, those names that I mentioned, most of them moved to New York. So we all knew each other. So, we are all calling each other. So it was a little different for me, but and you know what, Clayton, the scene has changed so much. I don't want to give people advice from my coming here because I don't want to give them the wrong advice because I'm not really sure how the scene is. Like, there aren't as many clubs as there were, and there aren't as many clubs now as there were back then. So I don't know how they go about making their connections, but that's one of the things that I would suggest. You try to make as many connections as possible. I know on one of your podcasts, you had mentioned something about having a YouTube channel, and putting yourself out there through that. You know what I mean? So I think that's one of the ways of making yourself known, and getting your name out there.
Thank you for watching the Broadway Drumming 101 YouTube channel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified when a new video is released.